my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I have 3 new Dollar Tree DIYs to share with you, and I'm so excited because I'm so happy how these projects turned out, and they are amazing and extremely budget friendly, and I know that you're gonna love it. And if you do, you can give me a big thumbs up, guys. That really helps to support my channel, as well as subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. I'm gonna be making 3 farmhouse DIYs, but you know that you can change maybe the color or the things that I use for things that works for your home or works for you. So I really hope that you like today's video, and let's get started to these Dollar Tree DIYs.
Okay guys, so for the first project I will be using aluminum foil, and you should start by creating the shape of a giant and thick carrot using enough of this aluminum foil. Once you have the shape that you want, you need to cover your carrot, and for that I'm gonna be using DECOR. This one is from Walmart, and I really like it because it's a little bit thicker than the one that Dollar Tree has. And I'm going to start by gluing it with hot glue and roll it until the carrot is completely covered. Then on the other side of the carrot, I will leave a space to stick foliage, and this one is from Dollar Tree, and you need to stick the foliage inside with hot glue, and then you need to stick the rest of the DECOR that you have, because you need to cover all the aluminum foil. And guys, this is not necessary, but you can burn the DECOR hairs that they have, and I just think they are going to look much better and gives more color and texture. Just being careful not burn the foliage or your fingers. Now I'm going to use these table tennis balls from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make a small hole with my hot glue gun just to be able to place a round dowel and paint the balls. I think this way is much easier. And to paint the balls, I will use a gray color, and once I paint the 4 balls that I need, you can use maybe black color paint, and you need to make like a distressed look. It's not necessary, but I don't know, I think they look better this way than just one color. To glue all these balls, I'm going to use hot glue, but you should try first to mold just a little bit the aluminum foil of your carrot before hitting each ball, just to have like more space for the balls, and this way they're going to look like the wheels of a car, and I think they look super cute. I decided to use these bunny pigs from Dollar Tree. You can get 2 per package, but I really want to change that small bow that they have for one that looks a little bit more farmhouse. So I decided to use my buffalo check ribbon, and I stick it on the bunny, and you can cut also the wooden dowel just to be able to stick it on the carrot. You can create a steering wheel with almost anything, guys, and this time I'm going to use a magnet that I had on hand, and I painted in black color. And just to save time, I really like to dry the paint with my heat gun, and in the description box of the video I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get it, as well as my Amazon store link. Then you can stick your magnet on the top of the carrot, and you can add a small stick just to make it look more realistic. And guys, this will be the result of the first project, and I love how it looks. For less than $5 you can make this project in the size that you want, because guys, you have the control of how much aluminum foil you use. For the second project, I will use this Dollar Tree sign, and you will need only 3 eggs, and you have to take them off. Once you have them apart, I'm going to remove the glitter from the eggs, and for that I'm going to be using my sanding sponge from Dollar Tree. And oh my god, whenever I do this, it makes me a mess in my work area, so I really like to use for that my super cute mini vacuum that cleans everything for me, and you can pick up all the dirty and the glitter that you have in your work area, and I really like this thing. So in the description box of the video I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get it. Once everything is clean, finally, I'm going to paint these eggs with my metallic silver spray paint and let them dry. I want to create a galvanized look, so for that I'm going to use white and a dark gray paint, and you should use a brush, and you need to start applying both colors, creating spots on the whole egg, and you should try to do the same with all the eggs. Once it is dry, you can use stickers, or you can write it by hand, or you can use your Cricut if you have. And I decided to write "Bless Our Nest," and I put a transfer paper to my vinyl, and I will glue one word on each egg and just make sure that they look straight. And to add a nice touch, I'm going to use my jute cord. I made 3 small bows, and I stick 1 on each egg. To make a base, I will use a wooden piece from Dollar Tree, and you can use so many things, but I decided to use this, and I will cut it in half. Then I want him to have like a wooden look, so I'm going to use my Waverly wax in antique color, and I'm going to paint this piece. Once it is dry, to glue the eggs, you must first stick a small block in the back of each egg so that way they can stand, and then you can glue your eggs to the base with some hot glue or wooden glue. Finally, I'm going to stick a small piece of jute cord around the base just to add a nice touch. And my love, this will be our second project. Simple and rustic. I really love how it looks. And this sign was inspired by a piece that I saw, I think was in TJ Maxx, and I could DIY these for a fraction of the price, and I am very happy with the result. I hope you like it too. Guys, for the last project, I will be using this Dollar Tree foam board, and you must draw 2 hoops, one larger than the other, and you can use any round shape that you have at home. And in this case, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree wire wreath that I have, and then you must cut the hoops with a razor. Then I cut a small circle from the foam board and I place it in the center of the hoop, and I'm going to start by sticking popsicle sticks to the wheel. And guys, you can use so many things. You can use maybe round dowels, and you need to always cut them in the size that you need, and you must do the same with the other foam board hoop to form a second wheel. So I know that the edges of this wheel look a little bit ugly, so for that I'm going to use jute cord and stick them with hot glue around on the outside of the wheel and on the inside, and this way both wheels are going to look much better. Then I decide to put one cap on each wheel. This one are from Peels, just in the center of the wheels with hot glue, and I like it because I think it gives more like a nicer touch and more dimension to our project. Now you need to stick both parts together, and for that you can use popsicle stick and hot glue to form your bunny. For the ears of the bunny, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree sign, and you must remove all the wire garland that it has and cut the 2 bunny ears. Then you need to stick them on the back of our bunny on the wheel that is smaller with quite hot glue. Now, to paint this project, you should use spray paint in black ultra matte color and let it dry. Once it's dry, I want to create like a galvanized look, but I'm going to change the colors. So I'm going to use my Waverly chalk paint in truffle color and gold paint. Then I'm going to use the same technique. I'm going to be creating spots on the whole bunny with a brush, and guys, I really love these brushes and I use them to make so many painting techniques. So if you are interested in having one, I'm going to be leaving in the description box of where I get them. At the end, you can add flowers. If you want, you can make a cute bow, but I really want this bunny to look rustic, so I'm going to be heat youth cord around the bunny's neck, and then I made a bow with this floral ribbon from Walmart, and I really like it because I think this way is going to look nice but rustic as I want. And that's it, guys. This is how our last project looks like, and I spent less than $3 to make it, and it is a really nice size, and oh my god, I really love how rustic it looks and how it combines with my farmhouse decor. And I'm very happy how they turned out, and I just can't decide which one is my favorite. So please let me know in the comments which was your favorite project, and please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on my webpage DIYbyJaz.com, and in the description box of the video I'm going to be leaving you the link of that, and also from my social media pages, Instagram and Facebook. Guys, I love you so much. Thank you for all the love and support, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Love you so much. Bye, guys.